Molweni sanibonani. Ninjani ntambama nje? Niyaphila? Ngithi ake ngenze nayi short. Mfowami Mkhonzo nibingelelayo. Ngiyabonga ngokusubscribe nangokufollowa. Thank you so much. Ngiyacela ukuthi abanga-subscribe nabanga-follow benze kanjalo. Siqhubeke sikhulise ama-channel wethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibuka wonke ama-developments enzekile recently kwi-MK Party, ikakhulukazi kuFloyd Shivambu. Simbonile izolo eku-ENCA kuleya interview, indlela akhulume ngayo laphiyana, kuningi okuvelile. Manje ngithi ake ngenze le video nje le because mangaphosisi manje uFloyd usevele in this month nje iyodwa uJune mangaphosisi usevele kangakho esidlangalaleni noma kwi-public. So kule briefing abenayo last week May 19 bese kuba yile interview le abenayo nes-ANC izolo, plus ke nama post awafakayo ku-Twitter noma ku-X kanjalo na ku-Facebook page yakhe and all that. Ubonakala umuntu ebhizi kakhulu ongahleli. Manje ngithi ake ngifake lo mbuzo ukuthi kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezi ezenzakele around uCommander Floyd Shivambu, what do you think? Ake sixoxe nje ngokuthi, do you think ukuthi akakathathi i-break noma angayithathi i-break akaqhubeke nawo wonke ama-plans akhe moving forward? Ngiyobuziswa yini lo mbuzo lo? Ngiyobuziswa into engiyizwile ukuthi uke waba ne-altercation noma mawungabheka even le interview yakhe abenayo i-NCA naloya mlungu loya, ubuzwa indlela bebakhuluma ngayo ukuthi kahle kahle ngazothi bayambona ukuthi in a way u-emotional, mhlambe akekho focused, akekho sober minded njengamanje after everything that has happened, and they are using that to poke ama-questions azomenza ukuthi agcine enza ama-mistakes, akhulume izinto ezimosha i-reputation yakhe nendlela akhuluma ngayo ngabanye abakupolitiki e-South Africa, abantu abafana nabo amalungu e-MK Party. Sizwile utheni ngoNhlamulo Ndlela, sizwile utheni ngoDuduzile, sizwile utheni ngabanye abaku-leadership ye-MK Party, sizwile ukuthi utheni ngoMalema, sizwile kuningi ngoSizwe Dlomo. Yabona umention amagama abantu abaningi. So yiko ngithi ake ngiyifake le video ngithi after everything that has happened, don't you think ukuthi he deserves a break of some sort? Ake athi ukunyamalala kancane public, angabonakali public, mhlambe ake athole some form of i-wellness program of some sort to deal nje nalesimo lesadlule kuso. Awucabangi kanjalo? Because mina ngicabanga kanjalo ukuthi uma ngibheka lesimo indlela esenzeka ngayo, yes yena ngiyambona ukuthi ufuna ukuphusha indaba iprogram yakhe le mayibuye and all that. Into eyenza ukuthi ngiqhubeka futhi ngikhuluma ngaye nami la, yingoba igama lokuthi usexoshiwe ku-MK alikaphumi, futhi alikaphumi negama elithi uresignile. Until that happens, mhlawumbe ngiyobe sengidecide ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka yini ngikhuluma ngoCommander Floyd Shivambu noma cha. But for now ngiqhubeka ngenxa yaloko esengikuchazile. Kodwa nje namhlanje yiloku nje ngifuna ukukubuza kini, ake sixoxeni ngako ukuthi manicabanga akuyimoshi yini i-career yakhe ukuthi abe busy njengamanje, ahambe ama-interviews, abonakale ma-public platforms, ekhuluma and all that, because it seems like akekho ready ukuthi njengamanje abe sober. Akekho njengamanje ukuthi a-control ama-emotions akhe after everything that has happened. Mina ngendlela engimbuka ngayo, because ngeke bafethu sibe siyale naleso, kusho nje straight ukuthi uCommander Floyd yonke into besikhuluma ngayo la ukuthi kwipolitiki yase-South Africa, he's one of the best we have in the country. Ngeke size sikubalekele izinto azenzile kwipolitiki yaseMzansi, ese-ANC Youth League, eku-EFF, eku-SASCO, recently eku-MK Party. Kuningi bafethu, singakhuluma kuzwakala, ipolitiki uyiphethe, i-content uyiphethe, kodwa kubonakala njengamanje engazuthi kukhona isimo angaphansi kwaso sengcindezi. Mina ngendlela engibona ngayo ngathi u-under pressure of some sort, and manje lento lena mhlampe ingahle imoshele ama-relationships anawo namanye ama-politicians, even mhlampe nabanye abantu abaku-public space most of the time eSouth Africa, njengabo uSizwe Dlomo and all that. Ngibona ngathi akusiyo umuntu njengamanje okufanele ngabe uvela kaningi ekhuluma kakhulu eSouth Africa ngezinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yakhe. Angazi uyibuka kanjani wena, ake siyixoxele. Awucabangi ukuthi uFloyd athathe i-break, akathi ukuzinaka, a-decide kahle about the next move, noma mhlawumbe uthi hhayi kuhamba kahle akavele enze yonke into manje, angaze aphole? Uyibona kanjani? Owami mina umbono ukuthi akayithathe i-break for the sake of ukuprotector ini, igama lakhe ne-career yakhe. Yiloko mina engikushoyo, yiloko nje ngithi ake sixoxe ngaloko. Ya, ake sixoxe ngaloko bafethu. uCommander Floyd useyimember ye-MK Party, because there's no official statement esiphuma ku-MK Party ukuthi akaseyona imember yethu. Kanjalo futhi nakuye there's no official statement esiphuma kuye ngokuqondile lapha asho khona ukuthi useyayishiya ini MK Party, which means-ke sisenalo ilungelo lokuthi simthathe njengomunye wemember yethu who is undergoing isimo esinzima empilweni yakhe njengamanje. Ya, ake sixoxeni ngabafethu, ayithathe i-break noma cha? Ngilindele imibono yenu-ke njengamanje. Let's go. Thank you so much, niphile.